The Rio Plus 20 conference in 2012 brought the recognition that in the 20 years since the original Rio Earth Summit, huge strides had been made in addressing one of the key challenges that the world faced at that earlier time. And that was the absence of laws providing a foundation for environmental protection. At Rio Plus 20, the world community faced the fact that the concern now is not so much about the absence of law, but rather about ineffective implementation of the laws now on the books, without which laws are just words on paper. We have, in effect, a rule of law gap in the environmental arena, a delta, a space between the aspirations as stated in law and the realization of those aspirations. But the good news is that we know how to close that gap. We know what's needed in terms of the institutional arrangements, procedural guarantees, and necessary skills to enable effective implementation so that we can build the environmental rule of law. All we need now is a sustained international effort to spread that knowledge and capacity wherever it is needed. The environmental rule of law is key, and not just to meeting the world's natural resource challenges, but also to development and trade, which depend on the internalization of the costs of environmentally protective behaviors in all we make and all we do.